Hello, friends, and my dear teacher. My name is Sheja Jonas. Today, I am presenting an analysis of digital service innovation. Digital technology is increasingly important in achieving goals, and its pervasive effects have resulted in the radical restructuring of entire industries. There are variety of digital services existing in our society. Among these, I have chosen one which is upon my interest. Before moving to the topic, first of all, let's see what all are there in the content. Here in content, 7 points are there and they are introduction, features of Fedora, sustainability, analysis of ethics, analysis of gender power equality, conclusion, and then the reference. So let's start. My topic is Foodora. Foodora is an online food delivery app or website which is running all around the world. The word itself means food at door. It was first launched in Berlin, Germany. Using Foodora app or website, customers can select restaurants according to their interest. Order can be placed and also can be tracked whether their order is prepared and delivered at correct time. Let's have a look on features of Foodora. First one is easy order placement. Most of the people, including me, prefer to order online because order placement process is simple and quick. Second one is easy payment options. There are lot of payment services available in the market such as Google Pay, Amazon Pay, online banking and also cash on delivery. So payment become easier for common people also. Third one is real time GPS tracking. These provide customers to track the location of food which has been ordered. Two ways of tracking are there. One is to track user's location and the next is to track the progress and movement of delivery person. The fourth one is discount or cashback policies. For attracting more customers, discounts and offers are the best way. They also provide refunding whether there is any problem related to complaints on food and also late deliveries. The last one is social media integration. Social media plays an important role in online marketing service. Customers can share photos or videos of their favorite dish with their friends and families by making Foodora app a noticeable one. Next one is sustainability. So, sustainability of Foodora app mainly focus on three sustainable program issues which further improves companies' commitment towards zero emission or reducing carbon footprint by delivery on bicycles, which is earth friendly service. Through food transparency, recyclable packaging, dedication towards reducing waste, Foodora attracts customers to practice sustainability through their food delivery. Foodora is also taking more steps forward in sustainability by cutting waste and partnering with restaurants that align with their dedication towards the environment. Next one is analysis on ethics. So, by critically analyzing the ethical convenience of Foodora app, I have came through these all points. First one is there any risk on online payment and what if when transaction fails? Normally during online payment we will become little confused whether we have to pay extra cash for GST, tax, etc. Also, when transaction fails, we will be able to pay on delivery also. Whether the delivery drivers are treated fairly. At first, the drivers are given little training, but no protection or safety measures are provided to delivery drivers during bad weather conditions. And also, injuries may even happen during their job, but majority of drivers will not get any support from the company. Are the restaurants satisfied with app like Foodora? Typically, restaurants are forced to be satisfied with these, but in fact, they have to give minimum 30% commission for each orders to delivery apps like Foodora. What about customer support? Through social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, etc., they will show catchy advertisements with discounts and offers. Usually, this will attract customers as well. Next one is analysis on gender and power equality. Here, as this Foodora delivery app is an online digital service, so there is no need of any gender or power discrimination. No separate rules and regulations are provided for men and women. Together, all are equally considered. As we all know, Sweden is consistently ranked one of the most gender equal countries in the world. Various app services are existing in the society providing new opportunities in the sharing economy for women in general and gender equality more specific. Conclusion. The value core idea of food delivery app development company is to provide a solution that does not require people to leave their homes even on ordinary days to avail of their services. The system gives them the facility to stay in the comfort and safety of their homes and avail everything they need in just one click. They have great marketing strategy and also provide customer friendly services. These are the references from where I got information about my topic. Thank you for hearing me. Please comment your suggestions.